In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically add orders to Google Sheets from Shopify. Start by opening your Shopify admin in your browser. Once the admin loads, look to the left sidebar and click Apps. This opens the area where your installed Shopify apps are listed. In that apps list, click Flow. That takes you into the Shopify Flow dashboard, where you can create and manage automations for your store. If you already have workflows, you'll see them here. If this is a new setup, the page may be empty. Now move to the top right area and click Create Workflow. You'll be taken to the Workflow Builder. In the middle of the canvas, click Select a Trigger. As soon as you do that, a trigger selection panel opens on the right side of the screen. This is where you choose what event starts the automation. Go to the search bar at the top of that trigger panel and type Order Created. Say it as you enter it, Order, then Created. After that search runs, select Order Created from the results. The trigger block now appears on the canvas and shows Order Created. That means this workflow will run whenever a new order is placed in your Shopify store. Next, add the action that sends the order data into Google Sheets. Under the Order Created trigger block, click the plus button. A menu will open. Choose Action. You'll now see the Actions search area. In the search bar, type Add Row to Spreadsheet. Enter it naturally as the full action name Add, then Row, then To, then Spreadsheet. When the result appears, click Add Row to Spreadsheet under Google Sheets for Shopify Flow. That places the Google Sheets action onto your workflow canvas and opens its settings so you can configure where the order data should go. In the Spreadsheet URL field, paste the full URL of your Google Sheet from the browser address bar. This should be the complete sheet link so Flow knows exactly which spreadsheet to use. Then click into the tab name field and type the name of the sheet tab. Enter the tab name exactly as it appears in your Google Sheet, because this tells the action which sheet inside the spreadsheet should receive the new row. Now click into the row contents, separated field. In this field, paste the liquid template from the description below. This template defines what gets written into each column of the spreadsheet. It maps the order details into the row in the correct sequence, including the order number, the customer email, the total amount, the payment status, the fulfillment status, and the order date. With that template in place, each new order will be added as one new row matching the headers you already prepared in your sheet. Once those fields are filled out, go to the top of the page and click New Workflow, so you can rename it. The workflow name becomes editable. Type a clear name for this automation. Enter Orders to Google Sheets. Type Orders, then To, then Google Sheets. This gives the workflow a descriptive label so it's easy to recognize later in your Flow dashboard. After naming it, go to the top right corner and click Turn on Workflow. If Shopify asks you to confirm, click Turn on in the confirmation prompt. That publishes the workflow and makes it live immediately. At this point, the automation is active. Every time a new order is created in your Shopify store, Shopify Flow will run this workflow and add a new row to your connected Google Sheet using the values from the template. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. You can now leave the workflow page as is, because the setup is complete and the connection between Shopify Flow and Google Sheets is now running in the background for new incoming orders.